promoting World's Gym today in Delray Beach, Florida. Promoting them, and I want to show you my physique, my rectum, abdominals, and my obliques. Show you the sickening washboard stomach I've got. I'm gonna be 170 in 6 months. This is gonna be funny.
Wait, Jason, come here. Stand just like that. Now flex the abs hard. Blow the air out of your lungs and squeeze them hard. Right now, go. Best your stomach has looked in God knows how long. Excellent.
Agreed.
You sound like Rocky in Rocky 4. I see 2 of them out there. Hit the one in the middle.
Hit the one.
Remember that? No, 3. I see 3 of them out there. Paulie goes, hit the one in the middle.
Definitely retract my statement.
Ah, sickening. It's skittalicious. I'm a pissing cunt man getter. Let's do some curls and show this physique off. Look at those veins, bro. Sickening. It's sick. It's sick. It's fucking sick. Pissing. Woo, woo.
Wait. See, you got to do the patented Jason with the finger pointing at the ground. Yeah, that's like the patented Jason dance move. Anytime I see you do that in one of your videos to music, I just lose it. Let's change up the angle. Let's see. See what happens when you lay off the junk food, Jason? You actually get lean.
Peace out.
How much is that one? Wait, you just had your hands on the 110 and you're going to the 50. What the hell is that?
It's a joke.
That amount of weight is a joke, Chief. You should be curling more than that.
It's a warm-up.
Jason, I'm not a personal trainer like you are, but can I give you a tip?
What?
I think you should widen your hands a little. There you go. You always take a narrow grip when you curl. Much better. Your midsection, when you curl, your midsection looks great.
Yeah.
All jokes aside, midsection looks the best it's ever looked.
The pump is better than having sex hormones, says obliques and the rectal abdominal.
Hey, what's up, man? Slow, control. There you go, down slow. Feel every single rep. Come on. Let's wait a minute, maybe 2 minutes, and we'll grab some heavy weight, okay? So the heaviest preset bar they have here is 110. Jason's gonna take a little bit of a wider grip. I hate seeing him curl with that narrow grip. It just bugs the shit out of me. No, go again. No, don't give me this one more shit. Come on.
This is it. Now we're gonna show on my camera, working on our obliques, and we'll wipe it down.
Okay, buddy.
I'm gonna put my shirt back on now.
Oh, the two owners are here today,
I
so
might question that.
getting man-getter sweat on the machines might not be a great idea.
There's the abdominals. Look, you can see them.
I see them. They're there. Look at that.
What's the tiebreaker? See how many crunches he can do?
Gotta think of something. Unless you feel like participating.
You haven't thought about it yet?
Saul's the one I really want to get involved in the competition, but
I haven't seen it.
Saul's usually here Monday, Wednesday, and he wasn't here either day. For the love of God, please sterilize that.
I'm just showing my abs. That's it. Now I'll put
Yeah.
the shirt back on. I promise. It's good promotion.
Jason, put the shirt on, please.
No, just one more step.
Jason, the owners of the gym
I know.
are telling you to put your shirt on.
Just one.
We're not talking about like some petty front desk person.
That's it. Just one set. Quick.
You got balls, brother. Get some paper towel.
I just was promoting it. I was just wipe it down.
Get some paper towel. I'm gonna make sure that machine is sterilized. Don't you worry.
Sterilize.
Paper towel.
Whoa, you almost hit me.
It's okay. Paper towel. Good. Get about 75 wads of it. And a container of bleach. I'd wet it, go to the water fountain, get a little water on there.
That's sick. You can see my abs, bro.
Yes, I could see your abs. I could also see your sweat glistening off the bench after you finished your set. Just use the water fountain, dude. Just get that wet. There you go. Sickening. That was just a very intelligent thing to do, Jason.
Making it nice and clean.
Right there.
Yes.
There you go. I don't want to come here tomorrow morning and see mushrooms growing on it. Right there. Good. Give it a couple sprays with that green shit. Sickening.
Just screw off the cap and dump the whole bottle in. No, actually, look. On the sign, it doesn't say you can't not have your shirt on. Just so
Do not tell him that. Oh, God. Look at him. He's thinking now.
Code? Yeah, you didn't read the gym code?
Well, but I asked permission. They said yes. Because I'm promoting the gym. Only because I'm promoting the gym. Only.
And because you've been showering lately, haven't you?
Yeah.
That I can't verify that, Brad, but I'll... All right, well done, Jason. Outstanding work.
Look at those abs. Promoting World Gym and Delray Fitness this morning.
You're promoting World Gym in Delray Beach.
In Delray Beach, excuse me.
It's okay. Close, you know.
Delray Beach, not Delray Fitness.
There you
World
go.
Gym in Delray Beach.
I'm sorry.
Oh, I was tested by Adam yesterday. 14.8, 14.
Jason, you need to stop obsessing about your body fat
No, I was
percentage.
tested yesterday, 15.
You're getting tested like 10 times a day. You need to chill with that. Just worry about lifting weights and eating right, and the body fat will take care of itself.
Come on.
Like, you need to take that machine and smash it with a fucking sledgehammer.
As long as you look good.
Right, right. Remember what you used, the mirror's your friend, not that stupid handheld gadget. The mirror's your friend. Seriously, that's like your new obsession. Forget that fucking thing. Lift properly, eat properly, and the rest will take care of itself. Even Adam has said that thing is inconsistent, so if you keep testing yourself with it, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it will fuck your whole head up.
Make you fucking loony.
You need to think long term, not day by day.
What is yours?
My body fat? I'm around 12 and a half, 13, something like that. The lowest it's ever been on that gadget is 12.1. The highest is 13.5.
That
So,
thing's inaccurate.
for whatever it's worth, yeah.
You're probably 8 or 10.
I would
might be.
probably around 12. I'm guessing.
Yeah, you
I
ready?
think that's proper. Yeah, go ahead, Jason. He's in his zone. He's working hard. I'll shut up.
I'm gonna do some of these.
How's the hip, Chief?
It still bothers me a little bit. It's still discomfortable.
What are you doing? I'm using it.
That's so sick. Jason is stealing Brad's machine. That's just great.
Fucking idiot! I took his weight off. What a scumbag prick.
I would ask you what's the matter with you, but I already know.
Here we
I
go.
don't have all day for you to tell me. Get off there and move it.
While you're at it, Jason, you might want to strip the machine you just used instead of leaving 4 plates on it.
I wasn't done with this, but
He doesn't give a shit. He's a Sith Lord. Sith Lords don't care about stealing machines, Brad.
Two more sets, quick. No
get
breaks.
out of the way.
So biceps, then legs, then back to biceps.
Nope, we're done with that. You ready to do a back squat? This is the best thing for you.
I'll do leg press. Just freaking do
No,
leg
no,
press.
no, not on that machine. Over there. I'm using this.
I'll do
one.
hack squat. Fine. Hack squat. Do hack squat. Lightweight, because my hip is killing me. Ready?
He's lying at him. He was just hack squatting 8 plates on each side.
That's a lie. Liar, Adam.
I learned from the best, Jason. I'm just fucking around. Jason is going light. Well, sort of.
That's it, I'm done.
That's
Well,
it.
that'll work out. I'm gonna say peace out to all my fans. Goodbye. Sickening washboard abs. Goodbye. Peace out.